Hey there, my friends. If you have recently started your local concierge business or you've been at it for a while, but you're still making less than 2K a month, chances are that you are marketing the wrong way. The way people find and hire local services was different to begin with, and it has really changed over the past couple years. And if you don't adjust, you're going to struggle even more getting clients. So today I'm going to break down the top three shifts you need to know to market your businesses in 2025. And if you want even more actionable strategies, I want you to join me for an upcoming workshop that I'm doing on March the 6th. It's 4 ways to get more clients in 2025. What is working now? So I'm going to put a link below to that free workshop so that you can sign up. And now let's dive in. Okay. So the first thing I want to tell you that is not working anymore is one size fits all marketing. So one size fits all marketing is dead. It is dead, my friends. Okay, so the idea here is that people don't just want any help. They actually want help that feels to them like you are custom to their exact needs. So when you are marketing too broadly, which has always been a problem in the industry anyway, but now it's getting even more specific, marketing too broadly will make you invisible, and it's getting worse year after year. So the data, according to Google Consumer Insights, tells us that consumers are 2.1 times more likely to choose a business that directly speaks to their unique situation. And searches for hyper-specific services, example, concierge for busy moms or errand service for seniors, has increased by 30% in the last 2 years. And that is from Think with Google 2024. Also, 65% of customers say they prioritize businesses that get them over ones that have the lower price. So the takeaway here is stop marketing generally, stop marketing as a general helper, and start positioning yourself as the expert for a specific type of client. So instead of just saying errand services, maybe you are errand services for professionals who work long hours. You just want to get clearer and more specific. Stop being so general, get more specific. The second thing that you need to change in 2025 is what people are looking for. People are looking for niche services. And when I say niche services, I mean hyper niche services. So instead of searching for a type of business, people are actually searching for solutions to their specific problems. So, according to a source called Bright Local in 2023, they stated that 70% of local service searches now include descriptive qualifiers. So, what does that really mean, my friends? What that really means is people who are going to Google or going to Facebook or going to their friend groups and they're looking for a local service, 70% of them are now using a qualifier. So now instead of pet services, they might ask for pet services for dogs. Instead of house cleaners, they might be looking for pet friendly house cleaners or organic house cleaners. Instead of just personal assistant, they may be looking for personal assistants for executives or an executive assistant. So the reality is, what this means is that problem-based searches like help aging parents with errands has increased by 47% in the last 3 years over just generic searches like concierge services. So what this means is service businesses that position themselves as the solution to a specific problem convert 35% more. The takeaway: stop marketing by just listing what you do. You know who you are. You're the people out there who have these long, long lists of services that you have because you're afraid to niche down and you're afraid to eliminate any services. And I am telling you that that is the detriment to your business in 2025. People are looking for solutions for their exact struggles. So again, here are some examples for that. So instead of concierge and errand services, Try errands and daily support for seniors who want to stay independent. Instead of saying, I offer home organization, talk about home office organization or maybe declutter your home in a weekend. The more specific you are, the easier it is for your right clients to find you. Now, the third biggest shift that you need to be making is local marketing is not equal to online marketing. What this means is if you are marketing like an online entrepreneur, you're playing the wrong game. Your business is local. If you are offering local based services, your business is local, which means how your people find you and trust you is completely different because you have to remember that before people hire you, they have to build some type of know, like, and trust with you. That's with any service provider. You know yourself, if you're looking for a new doctor, you often don't just Google doctor in my area and just pick one. You're looking for somebody who has testimonials, who has a 5-star rating, who your neighbors say, yes, absolutely. I go to Dr. Smith also. You should definitely go see him. So consumers are 4 times more likely to hire a local service business based on word of mouth or community recommendations over online ads. So people ask me all the time about ads. This is why I always say, no, don't put money into ads because the majority of your clients and your best fit clients are actually going to come from word of mouth referrals and community referrals. According to Sprout Social, 74% of people say they trust referrals from their friends and neighbors over traditional ads when they're finding service providers. And social media posts from real customers or community members drive 5 times more conversions than business branded content. So, what that means is you can be putting content out on social media about your services, but social media that is about your services by real customers or other people in the community drives 5 times more conversions. This is why posting and praying just doesn't work, okay? So your takeaway here is stop relying on online marketing tactics that are designed for digital businesses. So these things are things like fancy funnels, CRMs, reels, trying to create viral Instagram posts or paid ads. What you want to do is market and focus on community-based marketing. So the things you want to focus on here are referrals and networking, where you're leveraging personal connections and past clients, offline and online groups where locals are actually looking for service providers, and local content and networking where you are positioning yourself in the community as the go-to person for the services that you provide. So your ideal clients are not scrolling on social media looking for a service. They're actually asking friends and people that they trust. So what you want to do is make sure that you are being where they are looking. So of all that I shared today, what is the one that kind of like blew your brain a little bit? Let me know in the comments below. What one of those stats or one of those facts or shifts that I'm telling you to make in 2025, which one really stood out for you the most? Let me know in the comments. And then if you're still working on some of this outdated marketing strategies that don't match up with how local services get found, I want you to make sure that you sign up and register for my 4 Ways to Get More Clients in 2025 workshop. I hope to see you there, my friends. Oh, yeah. And don't forget to hit up that like button. See you next time.